In this Guitarlele tutorial, we're going to break down what is the 12-bar blues. You want to stick around for this one because I have a really special bonus for you. And also, at the end, I got a really big announcement that no one's heard before. So you're going to be the first to hear what I'm about to say. Let's do it again. Come on now. Welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter. This is going to be a mind-blowing video because we're going to break down what the 12-bar blues is on the Guitarlele. That's right. But if you're new to the channel, or maybe you've seen my stuff, but you're probably not subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe, turn on that bell notification. And if you're digging this video, show me a little love. Help this video get out there by leaving a comment, smashing that like button, and sharing this video. So this is going to be a series, a short little series on blues for the Guitarlele. As I mentioned, I have a really big announcement at the end of this video, so stick around for that. But I also have something special for you right now. I'm going to put a link below to sign up for a blues workshop on the Guitarlele. That's totally for free. Go ahead and do that. Put that link below that you can go sign up. All right. You know we're big, and if you don't, we are big. We are the leaders in the world of Guitarlele, ukelikethepros.com. We got courses over there. We do live Q&As for the Guitarlele, and we take it very seriously. So in this video, we're going to talk about what the 12-bar blues is. We're going to actually walk you through the pattern and show you a cool strumming pattern. And then in the next few videos, as I mentioned, this is kind of a mini series getting ready for the workshop. I'm going to show you some cool boogie woogie stuff as well as some scales or a scale that you can use for soloing. All right, are you ready to dive in? Let's go ahead and do it. Let me play a little bit, and then I'm going to show you exactly what we're going to do in this lesson. All right, so the 12-bar blues, this is the most important thing you need to know as a musician. You got to have this down if you're a Guitarlele player, if you're a guitar player, if you're a ukulele player, because the blues is the foundation of almost every style of music that is out there right now. This blues helped form rock and roll. And then if you look at music after the 50s, after the mid-50s, it just exploded with all these different styles. And really the blues was a catalyst for all this stuff that's going on. We're going to be in the key of A. Now, what is the Guitarlele tune like? A, D, G, C, E, and A. So really, A is really like the really solid key for the Guitarlele. So that's why we're going to be doing this blues in the key of A. Now, this is a 12-bar blues, and that's what most blues are, 12 bars that just repeat over and over again, and you can just play them, you can solo over them, you can sing over them. Actually fantastic. Do you know any blues artists? If you know any blues artists, even just one, put it in the comments below. All right, so grab your A7 chord. This is going to be your root chord, your one chord. This is going to be the main chord for this. You only need two more chords. The D7 chord. And then the last chord, that's the 4 chord, by the way. And then the last chord is the 5 chord, which is E7. And that's it. 3 chords, the 1 chord, the 4 chord, and the 5 chord. And by the way, at the end, we're going to play with the killer backing tracks as well. And don't forget about that announcement that I'm going to make to you. So, all right, so grab your A7 chord. We're just going to be strumming with my first finger here. And we're just going to do this. That's it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That's it. I'm going to show you that strum pattern. I'm playing my Koaloha Guitarlele G6. This is a tenor size Guitarlele. And if you like this, or you like, we have Ruinous Creations, we got Kanalea, Kalo, Ohana, we got all the Guitarleles. Check it out, the #1 ukulele store. That's store.ukelikethepros.com. All right, so when you have your A7 chord, all we're going to do is grab our index finger. We're going to strum right here where the body and the neck meet. We're just going to go down, up, tie, up, down, down. That's 2, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. So that's the first 4 bars, okay? Now, when you get to measures 5 and 6, you're going to grab your D7 chord. Remember, that's the 4 chord. You're going to do 2 measures, same strum pattern. 3, and... All right, 7 and 8, that's bars 7 and 8. We're going to go back to the A7. And 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Now, here's where it gets exciting, okay? The last 4 bars, because this is where the most movement is for the blues. You're going to start on E7 in measure 9, but just for 1 bar, so it's right to the D7 chord and back to the A7 chord, and then back to the 5 chord for measure 12, which is the E7 again. And that's it. That's 12 bars, and then the blues literally repeats that over and over again. So what happens over time as you get this blues down, you just start hearing it. You start feeling it. So as I'm playing, if you get lost or you're not counting, you can just use your ears. You know where the 1 chord is, the 4 chord, and the 5 chord is. It's very, very simple. So if you're digging this, if you like this, we're going to play with the backing track in just a second. I have that workshop, the blues workshop on Guitarlele. That's totally free. Okay, the link of that is below. Come and join that. We're going to dive into this stuff. I'm going to have some bonuses for you there as well, some packets, some handouts and stuff that you can dive in and do this with me. Yeah, we're going to jam with the backing track. And don't forget, I said after this at the end, I have a huge, huge announcement that you're going to be the very, very first to know about. So let me get my headphones, and we're going to do this now with the backing track. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah. Let's do it again. Come on now. Take me home now. All right, how did you do on that? Leave a comment below. 1 to 5, 1 meaning need some work. Don't worry, I got you covered if you are. Or 5 meaning you got this, you're loving it, you're ready for the next video. So isn't that backing track totally killer? Because that's how we do it, Ukulele Pros. Killer backing track, really teaching you how to play things the right way, the real way, the pro way. All right, special announcement. You're the first, you are the very first to know about this. This few videos that we're doing here for this, and also the workshop, it's all getting you prepped, getting you psyched for the brand new Guitarlele course, the blues course that we have coming out over at Ukulele Pros. Absolutely a fantastic course. Matter of fact, these backing tracks, some of these things I'm showing you are right from the course. So I'm not holding anything back here. I'm giving you a sneak peek, pulling the curtain back, as they say, to this course. So anyway, if you're interested in the Guitarlele, the blues course, watch these videos, come to the workshop, and then we'll put a link below for more information on the Guitarlele blues course. It's absolutely going to blow your mind. Over 20 videos. We're going to really dive into the blues, all kinds of different styles, strumming blues, fingerstyle blues, jump blues, boogie woogie blues, slow blues, jazz blues, a little soloing as well for that entire course. So anyway, we'll put a link of that below, but that's all available for you at ukelikethepros.com. So anyway, that's going to do it for this one. Don't forget, we're going to jump into the next video as well that's going to kind of expand on what we just did here and get you pumped, get you ready for Guitarlele Blues.